Hello everyone, in this episode of When People Mess with the Wrong Cops, we dive into real moments where reckless choices met swift justice. These intense encounters reveal why defying the law never ends well. The police approached the wanted man, but he refused to cooperate and resisted arrest. The situation became dangerous when Vitela threatened officers, claiming he had a gun. In the end, the law will never show leniency towards such reckless behavior. Police made contact with the theft suspect, and as they got closer, Gutierrez ran and violently struggled with the officers. Things escalated when, during the scuffle, the suspect pulled out a weapon in an attempt to fight back. The situation quickly spiraled out of control, forcing police to use stronger measures. Resisting and attacking law enforcement only pushes you straight into a dead end. Once a warrant is issued, hiding a weapon and attempting to use it only makes everything worse. The law has clear limits, and acting aggressively with a weapon against authorities always leads to severe consequences.
Put your hands behind your back. Don't move. Bro, he's got a gun. He's got a gun. Yes, you do. You fucking do. Don't. I will shoot you. I will shoot you. Don't you fucking move. Don't you fucking move or you're getting one. Do you understand? Give me your hand. Give me your hand. You got him? Do not move. Do not fucking move. Do not move. Hold on, he's still got that gun in the front. Don't move. He's still got the gun. He's still got the gun. You got him?
Police located the suspected car thief, but he still attempted to flee. His actions would soon become something he deeply regretted. Stealing a vehicle, switching license plates illegally, and especially refusing to obey police orders are all serious offenses. Made even worse when fleeing and endangering the public.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Okay. Place the hand behind your back. Okay. Get my neck. Very good. Alright guys, let's take up the first car. I'm gonna cut it off. Oh, I don't cut it, just take it off. Minor injury. So what's it all about?
A situation that could have been resolved peacefully with a short explanation turned into unnecessary chaos because of her own actions. After being fired, she was asked to leave the workplace, but she refused and began threatening the manager, forcing them to call the police. All attempts to de-escalate failed, leaving officers no choice but to arrest her.
Okay, well, we can step outside, though. You can go out this way or you go out this way, whichever your dad said was going to pick you up. You go wait somewhere.
No.
What's your name?
None of your business?
It is, okay.
Because he left honorably.
Okay, he did. What's your name?
No, he didn't. No.
You're making this a much bigger deal than it needs to be.
Let me go!
Don't.
Let me go, and I'm going to find away from my dad. No, let me go.
I need your ID. Hey, now you're going to jail. Stop.
Let me go, bro. Bro, let me go. Oh my fucking God.
I mean, that was necessary to you.
Yeah,
Is your ID in your bag, ma'am?
no, I don't have it on me.
Have a seat. We're going to get some information from you.
I want me to sit down.
You have to sit. You lost that option 2 minutes ago. Sit down. Take a minute.
I can't sit down. He does this with everybody. That's why y'all don't understand.
You will get it figured out. Right here, you need to sit down. You are under arrest. Don't make me drag you into the car.
Is your car? Huh? You got medical marijuana card?
Using illegal substances and then stubbornly refusing to cooperate only makes everything worse. Tension increased when officers had to break the car window to get her out. Ignoring the law doesn't lessen the consequences, it only drags you into deeper trouble.
Huh? No reason, I just like to come talk to people. And while I was talking, so do me a favor and put your hands on the steering wheel. Step out, you seatbelt on?
97 normally.
Yeah, tell her to unlock all the doors. Hands on the dash. Hands on the dash. Miss, put your hands on the dash.
Open the door.
Hands on the dash!
What the fuck?
The law steps in whenever chaos gets out of control. Causing public disturbances is never a good idea, especially when the police are watching.
Get out of the road!
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Hit me.
You were fighting, yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Wait, that's not my phone. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, get it back. How about that?
Wait, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Hey, hold on. Got it. ain't going to jail with him.
No, the fuck I'm not. Why are you grabbing me? I just asked for a fucking party.
Bridgeport officers were dispatched to a home on Terry Place to assist a man experiencing emotional distress. The situation escalated when he suddenly grabbed a knife and attacked the police. Using a weapon against officers never provides an escape. The law responds forcefully when lives are threatened.
Drop whatever's in your hand right now.
When disruptive behavior escalates into a public safety threat, the law cannot stand by. He was accused of deliberately damaging a vehicle's windshield. Upon contact, officers also noticed he was holding a suspicious object. He continued to resist even after being tased. And there's only one outcome for resisting law enforcement.
I'll shoot you. You understand that? Get on the ground. Shoot you if you come at me. What is it? He just tossed a casing. Sure, I'll follow you home. Honest? Yeah, I'll follow you home. Okay, you're under arrest. Roll over now.
A taser was immediately deployed due to the tense situation. Fighting the police only makes your problems worse. He probably learned his own lesson from the experience.
See ya. See ya, bro. You're on the ground now.
Police approached the vehicle theft suspect and gave clear commands, but he remained stubborn and refused to cooperate. His actions only made the situation worse for himself. She was immediately arrested after throwing a high heel and breaking a police car window. Don't test the law if you can't handle the consequences.
What?
He tried to flee, and once officers caught up, he refused to get out of the car. This forced police to use stronger measures to arrest him. Resisting police is never a good choice. When you break the law but still choose to resist and attack the police, the consequences come faster than you expect. Thanks for watching When People Mess with the Wrong Cops. What do you think about these moments of instant karma? Which scenes surprised you most? Share your thoughts below.